Adobe Spark 2018. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel Digital Creations. Today in this tutorial we're gonna learn how to use Adobe Spark. Basically it's a website, so it will we can transform our ideas into stunning visual stories. We can create a graphics, and we can create a web pages. We can create a video stories very easily. No need any professional skills. So guys, anyone can create, even children can create the visual stories, web pages and graphics for social media. So let's get started. First, log in, open a spark.adobe.com. Okay guys, you can log in with Facebook account, your continue with the Google account. I have a login with the Adobe ID. I have a Adobe ID, so I just log in with the Adobe ID. So just sign in to Adobe ID to connect with the spark.adobe.com. Okay guys, this is the workspace. Okay, it's this side is opening. Okay guys, this is the work area of we can create the graphics and for post. Okay guys, you see here the plus sign. We just click here, create a new post, page, video. So first we check. I just cover all, guys. Just create first. We just create a video and just click here, just right here, Adobe Spark 2018. Now guys, here, tell a story about it. You can create very stunning videos very easily. It's opening. The best way to predict the future and create spark. Yeah, it's good. So it's starting. This is the welcome screen, so I just skip it. Guys, this is the workspace of we can create a video. It is just like you see here the Microsoft PowerPoint. This is the slides, so we can create a scene. So this is the first scene. We can create a text. So just start typing text. Adobe Spark 2018. Sorry, 2018. So guys, here you see the right side. There is a panel, the layout, music, themes. So in the layout panel, we just select the full screen. This is the first screen you see here, a scene. So, and in the another slide, we can select just here photos and upload some Spark logo. It's uploading. Guys, it's uploading. It will take time, so because my internet speed is so very slow, so it's take time. Guys, here you can also add the voice. Here it is added. We can add the voiceover with the help of this mic, so we don't need this. So guys, here you see this pencil button. We just zoom out this logo. Okay guys, we just select the theme. Just click, put your mouse here and show the slide, so it will animate. This is the themes, built-in themes of Adobe Spark. So just click here, and guys, make just show the preview. Guys, it's amazing. It's, guys, you see, I just make this one scene or slide, 1 and 2 slides here. So let's, we can upload another, we can upload, or we can search, find for free photos here. So we can search girl, just search girl. We can find 3 photos in us. This is the search, we can search here. Okay, the spark. Guys, you see here, we find spark here. So I just select this image. Just wanted to show you how to make slides. So okay, now guys, again we just check a preview, very simple. Okay guys, check another theme. Another theme is available here, this one. It is uploading. Okay, we just check a preview. Guys, very easily we can create a video in Adobe Spark. So guys, here you see the end of the screen. We can change the time till 10 seconds of every slide. So 2 seconds is good. So in this, we can create a 3 second. Again, we check a preview. Guys, guys, you see here, when we click here, this you see here the icon button. So we just click here, and the different icons show here. So we just type bell icon. We find a bell icon, we just click here, and this is the bell icon. Or we just type Spark social media icon. We don't need, that's deleted. So again, social media icon, just search it. So guys, here we find social media icon. So just select this. Okay guys, look very nice. So again, just take a preview. Very nice. Again, so we can change the theme. So this theme, just check this green theme. It's uploading.